The thing you require to cook sticky rice. The sticky rice is very hard, right? You have to soak in the water at least 4 hours to make it soft. After that, you have to have this part to cook sticky rice. You can find this part at the Asian market. The most Asian market they have this. So you have to put the water inside here, about a quarter, and put the rice inside the cook on the top. Make sure it's steam come out. After that, you have to flip it over, and after it's done, you have to put in this what is a rice server or rice container. That's most of they keep the sticky rice in there. Now put the water inside the pot to get ready to cook the sticky rice. Now you have to cook it about 15 minutes, and you check on it, and if the top is getting hard, you have to flip it over. Take the top, go to the bottom, upside down. Now when you cook sticky rice about 10 or 15 minutes, when your top it get harder right there, now you have to flip over. See like that, go like that. Now let it cook about 10 more minutes, and you get done. When your rice is ready, you can put on this thing we got from the rice, the containers in the bag. We just make it convenient for you, or you can use the Teflon from anything. Make sure the rice won't stick in there. After that, I will explain when the rice get done how to to get it into the rice container or rice server. Like that.
Okay.
See, like that.
Okay.
So we can get the top up to the bottom, upside down. And now you take cover up and wait for about 10 more minutes, and this could be done. Take it out and prepare to put in the rice server. Now you have like that. To make sure it won't stick. It's separated. Separate it. Separate it a little bit. After that, you have to do like that. So
Is it hot?
it's a bit warm. It's a bit warm. Then you put in the rice server, just like that. See, it's done. It's ready to eat. Use most time as Asian people, when you eat sticky rice, you just use by hand. You clean your hand first, okay? After that, you just pick up like that, and pick up the food like that. See, just put in your mouth. Sticky rice you can eat with the squeeze, or you can eat with the lap, everything. You can taste this. Sticky rice is really good.